Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local system or using XAMPP. And then I'm also going to show you how to use WordPress for absolutely free on your local system or using XAMPP. So please do watch the video till the end. If you face any difficulty, please do comment in the comment sections, and I'll try to reply you as much as possible. And if you like the video, please give it a like. And also, please do subscribe. And please share this video with your friends. That will really help me to make more such videos. So now let's dive into our video. So to download WordPress for absolutely free, you will need to software. One is XAMPP. So you need to search with XAMPP download and download it. I have already downloaded it. And then go to download directory where you have downloaded. You can see that both XAMPP and WordPress is rightly downloaded over here. So first you need to install them. So just simply double click on XAMPP installer and install it. After installing XAMPP, extract the WordPress for that. Just right-click on WordPress zip file and choose extract here, and then just copy the WordPress zip file, the extracted WordPress file, and go to C drive in my computer. You will see XAMPP folder there. Open the XAMPP folder and search the HD docs folder and open it and paste the WordPress file. After this, you need to start our Apache server, and you need to also start our MySQL server. For that, just open the XAMPP and then click on first to start button. So you can see both are that we started. So now just click on second admin button. It will open browser and redirect you to the PHP My Admin page. So here click on new and let's create a database naming as WordPress and just simply click on create. So what it will do is it will going to create our WordPress folder directory over here. You can see. So now all you have to do is just simply minimize the browser and open XAMPP and click on first admin button. It will open browser and a new tab. And we'll see this page. Just click on the WordPress, and then it will going to show you this page. This a WordPress installation page. So here you need to choose the language and just click on continue. And then click on let's go. And here it will going to ask you your database name. So remember the database name we have given WordPress. So this is what you need to type over here. WordPress and username. Just type root. And password. You keep this blank. Just simply click on submit and click on run the installation, and it will get the start installing a WordPress. So before that, it will ask you to give the site title. So let's my first WordPress site and username. Let's give admin password. Also let's give root email ID. Let's give your email ID. And I'm not going to check this search engine visibility box, because if you check this box, your site will be hidden from the search engine. So if you don't want index your site in search engine, you can check this box. So now just click on install WordPress and it will go to start installing our WordPress. So these installing WordPress will take a couple of minutes. So after finishing up WordPress installation, after finishing the installation, you have log in to WordPress dashboard. After login, you see your WordPress dashboard. And if you right click here and click on open in new tab, you will see your full website here. And so we have successfully created our first site. That's it for now. So do subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you get notified. I'm going to make more video about WordPress and web development in future. Thank you for watching the video.